Here I have OUKITEL K13, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera of course, and then go to its settings. And here you can find an option mirror. So let's take one photo with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled, so you can see the difference. And as you can see here on this photo, on this one I have lightning on the right side and on this one on the left side, but I actually have it on the left side, so yeah, as you can see how shadow falls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.